welcome back to my channel. Figured with all of this time off that I have now that we all might have, it'd be the perfect time to revamp this channel of mine and kind of get some projects that I've been thinking about and actually fully realize them. Today for this video I'm just going to show you some things that I've thrifted recently that I'm really excited about. So let's get started. So first thing is quite sad actually. So I got this in LA and I really like it, but it was in the kind of the dollar bin section of this thrift store, which for the store meant that it was in a pile of clothes on the ground in a parking lot, so it was dirty, meaning I had to wash it, and because it's wool, it shrunk. So it's super cute though, and I do plan on stretching it somehow. I think I'll just soak it in water and then gently hand wash it and stretch it out a little bit, and we'll see how that goes. But this is it. I don't even have a clip of me trying it on because it's too small. So there is that. Next, from L Train Vintage in Brooklyn, I got the follow-up to that cardigan, which is this cardigan, which definitely fits much better. It's originally from LL Bean and I love it. It's a little bit Christmassy, but it's got these really cute buttons and the colors are really cute, and it's just really cozy and really warm, and I love it a lot. And then also from L Train Vintage, I got this denim zip up pinafore dress with pockets, and I want to not only wear this but also use this as a pattern for other dresses that I want to either make or modify. I just really like the kind of very boxy shape, very loose but still kind of scholastic in a way. I'm realizing that my style is just morphed into things that I would have worn as a kid. And then I recently did a big shop on ThredUp, which I have been kind of avoiding for a while, mostly because I really like thrifting in person, because I like actually being able to feel the fabric and know immediately if something's gonna fit or not. But I'm very pleasantly surprised with what I got on ThredUp. So I'm gonna start with this. These are everything I got on ThredUp are turtlenecks, by the way. It's just my uniform, I guess. This one I got from ThredUp. It's kind of a sweatery material, and I just love the colors. I have a lot of dark gray or black turtlenecks, and I kind of want to have a little more color in my wardrobe. So this is awesome, and I like it so much. And then similarly, I have this green one. This is a mock neck, or it's a short turtleneck, but it's the same kind of ribbed sweater material. Love this. This green is such a beautiful green. I'm so happy with this. And it goes really well with this headscarf that's kind of mauve color, and it just looks so good with this color green. This one is a plaid. It's kind of weird to see a plaid turtleneck, but it's fun. I just love it. I think it's great. Again, something I would have worn as a kid, but here I am. Definitely not something that I would wear nowadays, but definitely something that I can wear for next Christmas is this. It's also a plaid, but it has little snowmen on it, little mittens, and little holly sprigs, and I just think it's so freaking cute. And I'm excited to wear it in the winter again. Next up, this is a turtleneck that I have a similar version already. This is from LL Bean originally, and I have a similar style, but it's blue and black stripes. And I really like this one too, because similar to what I'm wearing right now is that it has these cuffs, I guess you could call them. I like that. I kind of that feels a lot comfier to me for some reason. like this very simple but cool pattern, black and white stripe, well, black and gray stripe. And then last, I got this. This is originally from Eddie Bauer. Definitely, again, something I would have worn as a kid, but I like these stripes a lot. Very colorful. And then I got another one, but it hasn't arrived yet. Just kidding. Just arrived today. Today's Friday, and I filmed that haul yesterday, so it just arrived. This one is actually, so this is like this beautiful like autumn palette stripe, but this is like an actual sweater. So this is definitely something that, like, right now I'm like wearing it without anything underneath, but it definitely seems like it would be a lot more comfortable to wear like a small shirt underneath. But like, I like how it like, so yeah, realistically I would tuck it in and it works great. It looks great. The turtleneck is pretty high up there, but it's cute. Like, it's kind of tight, so it like can scrunch down a little bit. I love this. I'm glad it finally got here and I didn't have to ask about that. It's really cozy and 10 out of 10. But I did want to make a note. Obviously, I'm not sponsored by ThredUp, but I was really pleasantly surprised with my purchase, and I wanted to say a couple things like about like little tips about like thrifting online, because for me it was very much like, oh, like I'm not gonna be able to touch anything, I won't know like if it's actually gonna fit. One thing that I didn't even think about is that I haven't found anything yet if they actually do wash the clothes, but they feel clean. And that's something when you go thrifting, you know that's something that after you like touch a bunch of clothes, like you get like this gross feeling on your fingers and you're like, ugh, like this shit hasn't been cleaned. This stuff, I haven't found anything yet if it has been cleaned, but like feels nice. It's like really good quality. And even as I was browsing things, just like keep digging. The past couple of times that I've tried to like shop for things online, like I kind of get discouraged after a while. But basically my tip is like, don't limit your searches too much. Obviously you can put in exactly what you want to find, but I think if you like don't limit your searches too much and you just keep digging and scrolling, it'll actually work out really well for you. A lot of the turtlenecks that I saw were single color, not patterned at all, but once I kept scrolling, there would be groups of patterned turtlenecks that were all together and that were like kind of like hiding here and there. So just keep on digging. Like, basically just the same that you would at a thrift store. You would like look through every single thing. Like, I recommend doing that online too. Another thing is like, you don't get to feel the fabric, you don't get to make sure that it fits. Just pay attention to the fabric. They list the fabric and they list the measurements. So I already had like turtlenecks where I know I liked the length, and so I just made sure that each of these were like the length that I wanted, or like longer or whatever. So those are my tips for thrifting online. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be putting out more stuff soon, I hope, and hope you guys are staying safe. Remember, call up your friends, make sure everyone's doing okay. I hope you guys are finding some sort of comfort amidst all of this stress and crazy